The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, Olmsted County in southeastern Minnesota, Waukesha County in southeastern Minnesota, central Buffalo County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Elgin to 6 miles north of Grand Meadow, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin around 7:40 p.m. Plainview around 7:45 p.m. Waukesha and Kellogg around 8 p.m. Chatfield, Ada, and Buffalo City around 8:05 p.m. Alma and Dover around 8:10 p.m. St. Charles around 8:15 p.m. Modena around 8:20 p.m. Lewiston, Rolling Stone, and Altura around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include South Troy, Pioneer Campground, County Roads 9 and 10, Potsdam, Cream, Mondovi Airfield, and Highway 88 and County O. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 205 and 243. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 1.